Okay, so I should be live. Am I? Okay. Well, live. Right, so let me see. That's it. Okay. Well, live. Right, so let me see. That's it. Nice. Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, live. Right, so let me. That it's so anyone who's watching, welcome. This is a documentation of my journey to become a software developer. Right now, I'm learning. Uh, right now, I am learning Java, and yeah, I have done the basics, but I'm still confused, a little confused in the advanced topics. So day by day, I'm reviewing Java as well as I'm learning framework as well, Spring framework, specifically Spring Boot. I know the general concept about Spring, and so I'm starting with Spring Boot as fast as possible. Um, so yeah, I have made an application using Spring Boot and React on the front end and MySQL as database. I use JDBC to get my MySQL driver, Spring Web, and what was that called? JP something. I don't know. Okay, I did that, and now I am trying to remake it. Let me. Okay, never mind. I will try to open that thing, that project right now, just to demonstrate. Full stack front and my SQL as well. Holy shit, it's gonna fry. What? What? Okay. Huh. Nice. Let me execute this. I should have a database known as called full stack. Yes. I must use full stack and then show table and then just execute whatever is in there. So let me see. Let's have our database and the backend server running, and let's start the React application as well. npx start. npm start. I'm new to this React thing as well as Java. I'm new to everything. Let's see if that works. No, not this website. What is it? Hey, okay, no, my bad. Nope. Okay, this was it. You could delete and you could add the user as well. So, for example, I write right? And email. If I click submit, the record will get added, and in our database, what we have here is, if we select the data, right, RAM, executor RAM is over here, and I can edit the data. Um, let's make it sham, and okay. So doing this, I haven't made the view thingy. I didn't want to follow that long. I just needed to have a draft, a template of what I'm going to do. Uh, I copied most of it. I learned some of it, and now I'm going to recreate uh, a login page, just a simple CRUD application that will manage. Uh, okay, okay. So what I can do is, let me make an admin panel. Admin panel कस्तो भन्दाखेरि admin panel. Okay. This one. So okay, what was it? I was thinking that maybe I can do something like an admin panel, something like an admin panel. Yeah. I could have users sign up. I know. One, I will have a sign up page, and then I will have a login page, right? So these two things I will have to make, and then after I log in, I would like users to have an option like login भएपछि, after they log in, I would like to display something, you are logged in, kind of types of text, and if they sign up, they will be redirected to login page, right? If the login was successful. So these two pages, right, and I will have a MySQL database. Okay, MySQL database will have okay. So let me write this SQL मा चाहिँ what will it be? It will have so in SQL, I would like to create a database. Database will be created by me manually, so I will call it user records. User records on use, and use user records, and for our backend backend को लागि चाहिँ for this I should make a model package and a user class. Okay, user class, and then what do I need? And user class, and then okay, let's give it a private int id, and then private string username, or okay, maybe not username, let's just have our email IDs. Let them enter their user. Wait, never mind. So for a login page, login, if there's a login page, no, sign up page, I should okay. All right. So what do I need? I was thinking, hey. So I need a so first name, um, let's ditch middle name. Let's have last name, and let's let's have one more thing: first name, last name, email, and let's have password. All right. So we have password as well. First name, last name, email, password. Ah, okay. So these are the things that will be added in our database. Right? So database में यो सबै जाने भयो. What do I need त्यसपछि I require एउटा controller बनाउनु पर्यो त्यहाँ चाहिँ मैले API REST controller बनाउनु पर्यो cross origin public class user controller auto wired private user repository postman user. Okay, never mind. I need to understand this a little bit more. JDBC. I should read JDBC once more. It just confuses me more and more. Okay, so user repository, this interface is extended to JPA repository. I don't even remember what JPA was. I think I read it, but I don't know. So let's see, CPU में spike आ सके नहीं if I do something like this. I'm editing, right? I submit, I create a new user. This.com. I press enter, and the record was added, but we see no spikes. Why? Why is that? Because I do not know. Okay, never mind. GPA repository. This I need to understand again once more, and let's not expose my key. Okay, Spring GPA Hibernate DDL Auto Update JDBC MySQL data source username root Spring data source password that Spring data source driver class name MySQL CZ JDBC driver. Okay. यसको एकदमै नै फटेला अवस्था. I'm gonna disable the screen, put it right over here, and just display one of the screens. Too much load on CPU. Okay. Huh, good enough, I guess. Oh fuck. No. के नै फरक पर्छ र यार, even if they know. Does it even matter? I create a model, user model. I have them enter all these, and in our controller, we have a class this and dependency injection. By using AutoWire, we don't need to create the user repository, like the object of this class, and so okay, user. Alright, user is a class, new user, request body. Alright, so I need to take a look at this yet again because I don't understand whatsoever. Postman error, right? Let's open up Postman. I will have it in my next screen, and so okay, if I define it as REST controller, we will be able to use it, right? Let's see. And then let's not. I would like to make a database by the name of user user passwords Okay. Huh. Okay. I have my user passwords, and let's use user passwords. I don't have anything right now because mostly like I have not kept anything in there. So let's just uh, okay, let me stop all the processes right now. Let's stop this one, and where is my okay React application as well. Let's stop this, and never mind. I'm not gonna do React thing yet. Okay. So from what I remember, putting REST controller will uh, like it's one of the bare bone, like the essentials of React and the Spring application. So keeping this will auto add on, like objects will be created itself, and user is a class. So user is a class. This class is being imported right now, and we are making a new user called new user, and okay, so it's a post mapping. So this is request body user new user, return user repository dot save and new user. So it goes directly in the repository, and so find all will keep everything that it has, I know, and get mapping will get mapping. Okay, so this is an ID path variable now. Alright, so okay, never mind. Let me do whatever I know I need to do right now. I need to create a model user class, and declare some of the things like int id and private string first name, last name, email, why not, password, why not. Okay, so okay, it's good. Now I need to generate getters and setters for everything, and then okay, it's good. I don't like this. Okay, for user, I don't think there's much we need to do, but do we have to import something? We do. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna follow this getting stuff. Not this one. Okay, this one. Create entity model. So this is our entity model. Okay, entity. This user is our entity. Whatever data we need to store in there, right? It's adding itself, and okay, yes, ID and generated value. Oh yeah, okay. This integer ID value will not be asked from the user. It will be auto generated. So uh, generated value. This much will be enough, I guess. No. Or do I have to do anything else? No. Okay, good. Let's make it long. Fuck it. Okay. And then, nice. And good. And then I need to create a repository thing. Package. REPOS at your repository. Make a new Java class. User repository. User repository class. No, it should be an interface. Okay, sorry. Why it should be an interface? You need to create repository that holds user records as the following listing. Spring automatically implements this repository interface in a bean that has same name with change in the case. Okay, let's make an interface. Let's make a user interface one. It's fine. And I would like it to extend CROD repository user and long. Why is it different from what I did here? JPA, what is JPA? Okay. Okay, so JDBC and GPA are opposite things, kind of. Relational entity, like relation define गर्नु पर्दैन JPA मा and JDBC मा चाहिँ पर्छ. What is CROD repository? Interface for generic CROD operations on a repository for a specific type.